Hello everyone, my name is Szymon Rybczak. I'm 17 years old React Native developer at Callstack, and we are at React Native EU 2023 in Wrocław. And today with me is Riccardo. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Riccardo. I'm a software engineer at Meta working on React Native.
So is it the first time at React Native EU?
Actually, no. I was here last year and it was actually my very first conference.
Oh, and what makes you come back to this event?
So last year I really enjoyed the conference, and this year I'm also a speaker, so I really want to come back to Wrocław, and speak at the conference and meet with all of my fellow React Native developers.
Yeah, your talk was awesome. Really,
thank you.
I really enjoyed it, and the stuff that we will talk later. What's your impression so far? What is the talk that you like the most so far?
The talk that I like the most so far, of course, Nicolas talks on how he broke React Native. At the time, fun fact, I was part of the release crew together with him, Lorenzo, and Tito, if I remember correctly. Mm-hmm. So it was fun fact, fun story that happened that day. And there is the talk for Nicolas' talk.
Yeah.
I encourage you to
check it out. Exactly, it's really great. What's your role in React Native core team? That you are working in the React Native developer experience team, right? And was it?
No. So the team is, we have kind of few sub-teams within the React Native team. DevX is one of them, but I'm not part of it. But we collaborate. We work together a lot. So it's a good mistake, let's say. I'm in the team that is called Industry Alignment, and my role is to basically bring what we develop internally at Meta to the open source community. So for example, the new architecture is part of my, bringing in the new architecture to the open source is part of my job.
You, in past, were an iOS developer, and you are still an iOS developer, and you are focused on the iOS part.
Yes,
of React Native. And how did you transform from iOS developer to React Native? That is a different world.
My background, as you were saying, is in iOS, and I had been doing iOS for 7 years now. So I wanted to, I know that there is more than just iOS in the software engineering world, and I wanted to see other things, but without giving up of my experience. So when I joined Meta, I was looking for something that could give me that, and the Reactor with React Native was the perfect fit for me because I could still leverage my iOS knowledge, bringing the new architecture and taking care of all the iOS build system stuff for the community, but also learn how Android works, how NPM and all the JavaScript infrastructure works, and so that's how it happened.
It's how it started and how it's going. And how long do you work at Meta?
I joined in January 2022, and I joined the React Native team in March, because Meta has a kind of a process for you before you can actually join a team. So it's 1 year and a half that I'm in the team.
I say it's quite a lot. And could you please share something new that is coming to React Native?
Well, I invite you to have a look at the keynote from React Native EU 2023, where we shared a keynote with Callstack, and we presented what is about to come in React Native 0.73. But the highlights for the version will be a new debugger experience, which we want to be kind of seamless. So just by pressing one key on the keyboard, you will jump directly into Chrome and start debugging your JavaScript files. So
that's really great developer experience. I can't wait to use it in React Native apps. And could you please share the short message for the next year participants?
Come to the, it's not written here, but if you're looking at some talks, there is a message which is the biggest React Native conference in Europe. So you don't want to miss that.
Yeah, exactly. So thanks for listening. And today with me was Riccardo. And we really encourage you to join the React Native 2024. See you there. Bye.
Bye.
If you liked what you've just heard, check out more of the conference content. Follow us on social media, subscribe to our newsletter, and see you at React Native EU 2024.